Yo, morning guys. Doing some chores this morning. Woo! It's brisk. Yo, I'm surprised this thing ran today. Okay, we're gonna attempt to bring Steven's car into the garage today. Gonna brush it off first?
Yeah, thanks man.
Yeah. So, if you guys don't see this anytime between now and the new year, expect big changes for it. I think that's the plan for the entire Lost Royalty crew, is just to change it up a little bit for the next year. And I'm locked, so I'll leave this side open just in case. Yeah, it's a huge layer. Crazy. There's the vortex generator. Damn, son. I got so much snow in my shoes. Fuck. Now this is gonna get wet, and I'm gonna have soggy socks. Just perfect. Yo, should I come back there?
Alright.
I can't get grip here.
Because it's a downhill.
Okay, after much determination, we finally got his car in there. Didn't really want to start it because it's gonna go into hyper sleep mode anyway, but it's in and you guys won't be seeing it for a good while. So now off to the garage. We were supposed to be there like 10 minutes ago, but I also had to take the snow off the MX-3. Planning on bringing the TV to the garage too, but we'll see you guys when we get there. Yeah, you gotta hand it to hatchbacks. Super spacious, unless it's a 370 head. Got the TV back there. Brr. Guess I'll open the door. Oh, it's so nice and cozy in here. Yo. Yeah, we got customers, bro. I heard the bell. Taking out the PS3. Finally have a TV here. This is the 32-inch for my room. Hey, yo, what's up, dude? Welcome. Cool. Yeah. How are you, man?
Not too bad.
Deez, we haven't even eaten breakfast yet, but we got some customers in the store. This is dope. Bang. Is this their first time seeing it in person? Cool. Just call it my art project out of art school, man. Jaden, thanks for stopping by, man. Yeah, see you later. Casey?
What's up?
Christmas is good, man. As always, just spend it with family times. Casey got a new diffuser.
I had it before, but it's on sale now.
That's what they look like, bros.
Kind of dirty right now.
Yeah, no kidding, man. This is what Calgarians, or anyone, or anywhere for that matter, that snows, man.
This is that diffuser, if anyone's interested. It's a JC Sportline. So it's kind of like a aim gain rep, I guess you could say. But the fitment's pretty good for what it is.
It's like high quality rep.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's brand new. I never installed it. Never got the chance. So I was gonna install this one on the white IS, but then yeah, the blue one happened. So
yeah,
there you go. So if anyone's interested, hit me up. Instagram right here.
You know how to vlog already, bro.
Bags.
Hey, we got more customers. For memories, thanks guys. Happy New Year. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by. Tony, cheers, man.
Cheers.
Yeah, you guys enjoy the day. Thanks for helping, Shane. Bruh, we actually had people come by. It's amazing. Yo, shout outs to the people who made this all worth it. I'm surprised actually people were able to find this place. This particular store has this huge transformer box in the front which blocks like 2 parking spots. So we're kind of hidden, but I'll show you guys. I bought this thing like years ago thinking I'd need it for my show booths and stuff, but it's coming handy now. This is our form of physical receipts. We're renting them out. And just to give you an idea of how many people have passed by the store, handful of receipts, handful of people. So you guys are awesome. One of our mad supporters, local, Justin. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, cheers. Happy New Year's. Yeah, you too. Yo, that guy left here with like 5 hoodies. So big shout outs to you, Justin. Mad support from you, bro. Always good to see you at the shows. Yeah, so far, man, the traffic that we've had come through the store is really, really awesome. These people are so super down to earth, and yeah, it's good to meet locals too. So we know that what we're doing online is actually reaching out to people close to home. Motivates us to keep at it, you know? What say you? This kid's over here designing our next business cards.
Look at this one, Rudy.
The same thing.
It's pretty fun.
Decals would be harder to get off. Okay, decided to rip off the vinyl wrap that's on my stroller because I think black looks better anyway. Getting Shane to do that. I'm gonna work on graphics and stuff on my laptop upstairs. But first, redemption. I'm gonna land a 3 flip today. Man, this tripod sucks. Okay, I'm using the Gorilla Pod, but yeah, it's not the best. Okay, I hope that's okay. Sorry guys. I got this, dude. We'll try again later. We'll try again later. Fuck. How goes it, bro?
I guess I could use the heat gun, eh?
Okay, I'll grab it. So, little man brought back the hoodie for me to sign. Sweet. Hey. Closing time. What the hell, dude? You heard him, folks. One last call for alcohol. Closing time. This place is closed. We're like 5 minutes, okay? Surprisingly, we got decent traffic in the store today. Now it's closing time. So, like I promised, we actually brought a few lights here and we're gonna set up our cars and do a mini photo shoot. Cause we're limited, okay? We can't even bring our cars out to any location, so we're just gonna pretty up some of this garage bay and then just take photos here. Should be. Yo, Goots. Alrighty, I'm gonna just quickly set this up. Okay, so this is actually a really hot outfit. So we're just gonna take our photos and I'm gonna change back. Oh, how's that?
That's actually sweet. Yeah. What's your what do you think? Do you think it should be closer, Birdie? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is recording.
Alright. I don't suggest anything. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Dude.
Yeah. If you guys don't want to attend your roof, don't do this. I don't even know how to get down, man. I'm just gonna roll off. Peace. Good enough. Alright, Shane, it's your turn. I'm hot. Alright. So we've taken a few photos. I think we're just gonna do Shane's car another day and call it a night at the garage. We're closed. Yeah, dude. Looks so much better with a black spoiler. Instant transmission. Ow. Yo, guys. Oh shit. Back at the home studio base. Q2, getting a little training in.
Daily training.
That's why these kids come to this house. Brawl it up. All right, guys, special guest, buddy. Hey, woohoo! Eddie, what up, dude?
What up, what up?
Brett, buddy, woohoo! So excited, dude. Yee-hoo! Hey, no licking the lens, bro. Yo, he doesn't know what to do.
Buddy, sit.
Chill. Hey, woohoo! Go clean that up. What are you doing in my room, bro? Dog! Hey! Hey, dog! Shouts to Eva for giving us all this candy. Look, she hooked us up, dude. Sour cola bottles, strawberry marshmallows. I think these are wafer sticks. Cotton candy. Dude, we're stacked on candies, man. Ferrero Rochers, gummies.